some game plan that was going on. We noticed that, you know, the trunk floor, these are trunk floor drop down pieces that go all the way down to the bottom of the quarters. They're still good. Raed took all of the old metal. As you can see, the corrosion that it was rotted throughout. The good thing that we do like, braces on it is good, so we are gonna retain the original braces. You see he got up and skinned. These little mount locations is where the body mount will go at. Nuts go through there, so you see a little provision, a little hump. We're trying to keep everything, you know, as factory as possible, but also making it, you know, even stronger than what it was before. So the process goes on. This is pretty much the last major metal work to the car, and then beyond this, you know, Raed can pretty much finish, you know, with all of the body work that he already did. So, yeah, man, y'all stay tuned, man. We got some good work coming, man. VTSV Auto, baby. Let's go.
The piece was right here.
Oh, yeah.
It was right here. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, you know, to get it, you know, to get the exact thing.
I want you to know right now I'm holding it just like this.
Just like that.
Justin, I want you to know right now I'm holding it just like this. Justin's got proof of me holding it just like this.
The holes, because this is gonna be holding to the brace, you know, you see here. That's exactly what we did here. That's why you see the, you know, this wall spot right there, because this is attached to the brace. And I'm gonna make another one right here, and another one right there. Then beside, another one right here too. Just, you know, this is small. It's not too big. Solid. Before. Look how it was.
This side over here obviously was better, with just sections of it. So to keep the factory contours, to try to keep the time down, we just repaired, which is good. The corrosion was on the upper panel and not in the groove. So we can, you know, basically cut it out, prep it, get all of the surface rust off. As you can see, he already grinded it all the way down to the metal to double check to make sure there's no more corrosion, and then weld everything back up.
much bundle. See, that's not good.